Essential Foot Care, your step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important but often overlooked topic, your foot care routine. Our feet carry us through life, and it's crucial we take good care of them. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to maintain healthy, happy feet. Your feet are the foundation of your body, supporting your weight and helping you move. Despite their importance, feet are frequently neglected. A proper foot care routine prevents infections, reduces pain, and ensures your feet remain strong and healthy. Today, we'll explore how simple, everyday practices can make a big difference in your foot health. Maintaining daily hygiene is the cornerstone of foot care. Start by washing your feet thoroughly with soap and water each day to remove dirt and prevent bacteria buildup. Always dry your feet well, especially between the toes, to fend off fungal infections like athlete's foot. Lastly, moisturizing your feet prevents dryness and cracks, keeping the skin supple and resilient. Proper nail care is not just about aesthetics. It's essential for preventing issues like ingrown toenails and infections. Trim your toenails straight across, avoiding cutting them too short or rounding the edges. This simple practice keeps your nails strong and prevents them from growing into the skin. The shoes you wear significantly impact your foot health. Always opt for shoes that fit well, provide adequate support, and suit your daily activities. Ill-fitting shoes can lead to a multitude of problems, including blisters, corns, and more severe conditions like bunions or hammer toes. Even with the best care, feet can encounter issues. Recognizing common problems like blisters, calluses, and foot odor is vital. Most of these can be treated at home with over-the-counter remedies. However, don't hesitate to consult a professional for persistent or severe issues. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the essential steps of a proper foot care routine. Remember, taking care of your feet is not just about looking good. It's about staying active and healthy. We hope you found this guide helpful and are encouraged to give your feet the care they deserve. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to take that next step towards happy, healthy feet.